Based on our national reference
laboratory system, we call upon our NRLs to be at the center of providing accurate and reliable diagnostics, leading public health laboratory services, and promoting quality assurance.
The accurate and timely diagnosis of disease is not a luxury. It is the frontline defense of public health. So in this light, our National Reference Laboratories, or NRLs, stand as pillars of excellence. They are the apex laboratories of the country. So the most technically advanced, the most scientifically specialized, and the most strategically critical in ensuring that not only about laboratory scientists, it's about national development, because when laboratories work, health systems thrive. When health systems thrive, economies recover. And when economies recover, nations rise. So let me close this with a clear call to action. To our NRL leaders,
We now begin for our first technical session for today, laying the foundations of the Philippine Health Laboratory System. This sets the context for our collective work, highlighting the framework, strategic directions, and the vital role of our
that redefines the future of diagnostics in the Philippines.
The national framework of the Philippine Health Laboratory System, as outlined in Administrative Order No. 2025, otherwise known as the National Framework of the Philippine Health Laboratory System. This key policy is the blueprint to shift from a fragmented to an integrated, and from reactive to proactive laboratories, responsiveness, equity, and quality. As we have experienced,
it represented something, a redirection to the operations of the Department of Health. So it streamlined the central office.
Congratulations pala to the OHL and the HFDB, the entire team for initiating and organizing this. Although second to, but this is first NRL Symposium, right? So yeah, so congratulations because you're able to gather all the NRLs and they have the chance to highlight, showcase their services and its implementation at the national level. So again, congratulations. The title of my talk is The New Era of Early Infant Diagnosis. Actually, it's the establishment of the confirmatory HIV early infant diagnostic laboratories in the country.
Ito po. Naglilibot po sila.
medical systems for sponsoring this poll. Now the
So validated naman po. You validated the method for the detection of
journal doing a consideration for the context because there's a
I think it lasts up to 10 days, but it's not as specific as the others. Your myoglobin, pwedeng 1 hour lang meron na. But then, it has also a low specificity. And nowadays, there are...
Thank you to OHL, to all the organizers for inviting me. I'm so honored. Thank you so much. So, there, I'm gonna talk about tapping into clean water.
Emphasize that we, the NRLs, are in the business of saving lives. So what happens when the laboratory systems fail? So when we fail, the impact is actually measured in lives. So this is a very hard lesson to learn from the field, especially
results that will be released. There is also a delay, no?
The USAID Impact Project to help NTRL prepare for the ISO 15189 accreditation.
It's systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of AMR data for specific purposes.
So I just want to highlight the information that this information represents not just the volume, but the burden of the urea program. So it has been estimated that in any 24-hour period, around 200 million people will burn plastic. So this not only contributes to the individuals.
Our laboratories. And this, yung mga sensitives po talaga seasoned din ng mga medical doctor. Ang sabi niya, I've been a consultant for a private hospital sa public hospital. And sinabi niya, we need to capacity in our laboratories. Why? Because ang laboratories daw ang buhay sa hospital when it comes to practice. And ganun po, this event shows our shared determination that a state is willing to listen with openness, speak with intent, and plan to reach people what lies ahead and beyond nothing else. So, lagi natin alalahanin na sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay ay mahalaga. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po ang mga ating mga laboratory.
Thank you, Asan, for that inspirational message. May we request everyone? Okay, we'll be having a photo.